This video, section 133, covers numerals, which are in Hansen and Quinn on pages 499 to 500. So far in Hansen and Quinn, you've learned some numbers: penta for 5, hex for 6, hepta for 7, octo for 8, enea for 9, and deca for 10. And what all of those numerals have in common is that they're indeclinable. There's just one form, no matter what they're modifying. The reason you've had to wait all this time to learn 1, 2, 3, and 4 is that all of those are adjectives that have case and number. And so Hansen and Quinn has saved it until now, but I get to teach them to you. So for 1, we're going to have masculine, feminine, and neuter forms in the singular, of course, because this is 1. And those forms are heis, mia, hen, henos, mias, henos, heni, mia, heni, and in the accusative, hena, mian, hen. So, just as other adjectives do, one will agree with whatever it's modifying in case and gender, and it will always be singular because it's 1. So it will agree in number as well. When we go to 2 and think about the number that it agrees with, it probably won't always precisely agree with number because 2 comes in the dual. That's right. This is the only form that Hansen and Quinn teaches you in the dual, except in the appendix. So, 2, of course, is dual in number. It has one form in each case for masculine, feminine, and neuter, and these are the forms. In the nominative, it's duo. In the genitive, it's duoin. In the dative, it's duoin. And in the accusative, it's duo. Even though it's dual, it can modify plural nouns. We get to go to 3 now, which has one set of forms for the masculine and the feminine, and one set for the neuter. And of course, this is now plural. So we get tres, tria, trione, trione, trisi, trisi, and tres, tria. And then for 4, we have, again, one set of forms for masculine and feminine, and another for the neuter, all in the plural. Tetares, tetera, and this is what you would see in non-Attic dialects as tesseres and tessera. That double tau is really typical of Attic Greek. And so if you know words in English that start with tessera, it comes from this word for 4. Let's go on to the genitive, and we get tetaron, tetaron, tetarsi, tetarsi, again with new movables, and tetaras, tetera. I think I should have said news movable. So really that's it. You just needed to know how to decline these first 4 numerals because they're adjectives that have forms. Now you can count to 10 in Greek, and you know what Hansen and Quinn wants you to know.